So I don't have a Valentine, so if you want to be my Valentino, I'll leave the application form in the description box. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Twi Tuesdays on a Thursday. Since it's a Valentine's love month, I thought it would be a great idea to do a Twi lesson that pertains to love, dating, relationships, those sort of words and phrases. And to be honest, when I look at the questions I get a lot, mostly it's often my husband is from Ghana, my wife is from Ghana, my boyfriend lives in Ghana, and I want to say this and I want to say that. So I thought this would be the perfect time to put all those words and phrases into one. We're gonna be doing I love you, I want to talk to you, you are my darling, and some of you are enjoying, others are just here. God's time is the best. That's right. So this video is in collaboration with my beautiful Ghanaian sister on here called Uniquelyyou82, and she will actually be doing the exact same words and phrases that I'm doing, but she's going to be doing it in Fante. Is it Fante? Fante. So definitely check out her channel. I'll leave her channel and the video that she uploads in the description box. Have a look and just see the similarities and differences between Fante and my Akan Twi. And as always, if you do find these videos helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, and also leave a bit of feedback down below if you want to. Your feedback really helps me a lot because it helps me see what videos do well and how best to format my Twi lessons. So definitely leave some feedback, even if it's just a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So the first word is love. How you say that in Twi is odo. Odo. Remember back to the alphabet. Odo. Odo is love. Odo is love. Now we're moving on to the spicy stuff. I love you. Medowo. 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 Me is me. Do is love, and wo is you. So odo on its own would have the o at the start, but within a sentence it would be just do. So me do instead of me or do. You know what I mean? So it's not going to be me or do, it's me do. And if you want to pump it up a gear, I love you so much, I love you very much, you can say me do pa. Me do pa. You have to put emphasis. Me do pa. Me do pa. So me do pa. Pa means a lot or much. Me do pa. That's right. The next one is my love. Me dofu or me do. Me dofu or me do. My love. Me dofu or me do. And the next one is I miss you. I miss you, baby. Okay, we're gonna stop. I miss you. How you say that is mafewo. 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 Ma refers to yourself. Me, my, I. Fe is to miss, and wo is you. I miss you. Mafewo. You have to say it in such a succulent, tantalizing way. You can also add pa at the end of this one. So I miss you a lot. I miss you very much. Mafewo pa. Mafewo pa. How to say queen or king? Queen is ohima. Ohima. Ohima is queen. And king, ohini. Ohini. Ohima. Ohini. Ohima. Ohini. How to say my queen or my king? Mehima. Mehini. Mehima. Mehini. Beautiful or beauty. How you say that is ahonfe. Ahonfe. Back to the alphabets. Is at the end of that. Ahonfe is for beautiful or beauty. Ahonfe. You look beautiful. Wohwanyefe. 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 You look beautiful and you look handsome is still wohwanyefe. So males and females are still considered beautiful. under that umbrella. If you want to say you look beautiful today, ene uhwayefe. Ene uhwayefe. I like your cooking. Meniji woduane yehu. I like your cooking. Meniji woduane yehu. Meniji woduane yehu. I like your cooking. Meniji woduane yehu. Meniji is like I like, I'm happy. Eduane is food. Eduane yehu, how you do your food basically. So it's like I like, I'm happy with the way you make food or you do food. I like your cooking. Meniji woduane yehu. You always make me laugh. Uma misreda. Uma misreda. You always make me laugh. Uma misreda. Wo is you. Ma, me, make me. Sre. Sre is to laugh. Da is always. Da is always. Uma misreda. You always make me laugh. Uma misreda. You always make me laugh. Your laugh is beautiful. Osiriye yefe. Your laugh is beautiful. Osiriye yefe. Osiriye yefe. Wo is you. Siriye is laugh. Fe is nice, beautiful. Osiriye yefe. Osiriye yefe. You have a great heart, or you are a wonderful person. Wowo akumapa. Wowo akumapa. Wowo is you have. Kuma is heart. Your akuma is a heart. So pa is good. Pa is good. So literally translated, you have a heart good. You see, pretty much you have a heart good. So your heart is good. Wowo akuma pa. You have a great heart, or you're a wonderful person. Wowo akuma pa. I really wanted the translation for welcome home, but it's honestly just akwaba, which is welcome, which is a bit blah. I wanted something that had welcome home, but there isn't really, unless you say akwaba fie, which doesn't translate well. So welcome akwaba. Welcome akwaba. Welcome. I guess when they walk through the house, you can just give them a hug, give them a smoke, give them a log. And finally, you are my best friend. My best friend. Oh yeah, my downfall. Oh yeah, my downfall. Oh yeah, my downfall. Oh yeah, my downfall. You can say, oh yeah, my downfall, pa. Oh yeah, my downfall, pa. You are my best friend. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you found this video helpful and would like to see more Twi lessons, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week, Thursday.